My name is Alias. I'm a photographer and a passionate traveler. Come on our next adventure in Portugal with me and Am. Let's go. I love getting on the road and going with the flow. By taking little detour here and there. You just dive into it and make unforgettable memories.
You want? Lastig? Seat-based review.
You get out of your daily routine and spend some quality time with the people you love.
Did you know that this vineyard is part of the UNESCO? Yeah, it's because it's been built by hand, everything.
Traveling is about learning new things and experiencing the little moments of happiness. And that's really something, especially after the long break the world has had. So what are you waiting for? Get in your car and hit the road.